Right, my new bluefin kayak. So we'll start at the back. And there's the toddle for carrying it, and the plug to empty it, any water that gets in. All the way around is scupper plugs, which you take out when water gets in, and it will also drain. So at the back is going to have me diving stuff and some spare hose for when two of us go in it, even though two of us are not supposed to go in. It can take the weight, so that's okay. These are for your rods, your fishing rods, and they're supposed to have caps. The caps didn't come with them. They forgot them, so they're going to send them separate for me. So I'm going to have to wait for them to get here. Seat goes on, nice and comfortable, as somebody will tell you, because he's never been out of it. Then there's the oar that comes with it. It fastens on the side. And then your lead, which fastens around it, so if it drops in the water it's not going to float away. These open up, and inside we can put a dry bag and various things that we need, and then it locks back up again. Twists it, seals and locks. And then we got a drinks holder to get your drink in. Then the middle one is for another rod holder, but I'm not going to put any rods on it anyway, so it is meant for going investigating caves and swimming off, snorkeling. So when we're investigating the caves, and there's the cameras, front facing camera and a camera facing us when we're in it. So when we go in to have a bit of a swim with the snorkel gear on, when you come in, yeah, grab hold of this and pull yourself in. Makes life easy. There's your VHF radio. It's UHF and VHF actually, but for the marine radio for the Coast Guard and Harbour, to let them know what's going on. Front facing camera which sees us, and we can have our little chit chat, and the front facing camera to show us where we're heading, and then another little tow, and then all the way around this scupper plugs, take them out, let's all the water drain out. These I'm going to waste till I get the seal for them, and there we have it, my new kayak, pretty much ready to go.